I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy long-term stocks in Robinhood. First, you will need to open a Robinhood account and complete the verification process. This typically involves providing some personal information and linking a bank account. Once your account is approved, fund it with at least $1 to start. Robinhood offers commission-free trading, which is a great advantage for long-term investors looking to minimize costs. Next, thorough research is crucial for selecting long-term stocks. Focus on companies demonstrating strong financial health and a clear path for future expansion. Examine their revenue growth, earnings per share, and debt-to-equity ratios. Seek out businesses with sustainable competitive advantages, like a dominant market position or unique products. Understanding industry trends and a company's long-term vision will guide your investment decisions. When you are ready to buy, use a limit order to specify the maximum price you are willing to pay for a stock. This helps control your entry point. It is wise to diversify your portfolio across different industries to mitigate risk. For example, do not put all your capital into just one or two companies. Reinvesting any dividends received can significantly boost your long-term returns through compounding. Finally, successful long-term investing requires patience and discipline. Aim to hold your stocks for at least 5 years or even 10 years to fully realize their growth potential. Resist the urge to react to daily market swings. Focus on the bigger picture. Employing dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a consistent amount periodically, can smooth out market volatility. Remember to consider the tax implications of your long-term gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.